Hey everyone, this is Rick from RVGettingThere.com, your free RV travel concierge with today's Road Trip Candy. Now, they're called Road Trip Candy because they are treats to stop at. You can stretch your legs, put a big old smile on your face. Now this place, I'm guessing, isn't on your destination radar, but it really should be because it's a great place to take a break from the monotony of a long day driving. And best of all, it's going to help you create a lifetime memory. Well, today we're going to travel to the state of Delaware, the town of Milton, and specifically 6 Village Center Boulevard, Dogfish Brewery, the home of the Steampunk Treehouse. Now, the sculpture slash house is huge. It's 40 feet tall, 40 feet wide. It weighs 8 tons and was crafted in part from recycled and reclaimed materials. It was conceived and created by artist Sean Orlando and the 5-Ton Crane Arts Group, and it was debuted at the Burning Man event in 2007. Now, Mr. Orlando says the Steampunk Treehouse was made to explore the relationship between our rapidly changing natural world and the persistent human drive to connect with it and one another. It is our second nature. Now, Dogfish Brewery stumbled across the treehouse online and learned they were looking for a permanent home for their sculpture. The Steampunk Treehouse can be viewed and enjoyed by all the folks visiting Dogfish Brewery. Sadly, only the workers of Dogfish have access to the interior of the treehouse for company meetings, so I don't know if they're hiring. That is RVGettingThere.com's Road Trip Candy. To make sure you get all the fun stops each and every day, like this video, follow us on Facebook or our YouTube channel, and make RVGettingThere.com the first stop of your journey to help make planning your road trip easier and more memorable. Again, this is Rick from RVGettingThere.com, helping and wishing you make more memories per mile.